Hi, I'm Jeff Altman. I was watching this video on Netflix, Rolling Thunder Revue, based upon a Bob Dylan. Let me try that again. Based upon the Bob Dylan concert series of the 1970s, is directed by Martin Scorsese. I'm generationally appropriate. You may never be, and that's okay. This isn't about Rolling Thunder. It's about the last things that are really said in the movie. Allen Ginsberg was a poet in the 60s and 70s, and he was part of the tour. And there's a point at the very end of the movie, well, not exactly the end, but within 30 to 60 seconds of the end of the filming, where he looks at the camera, and I'm going to read this because it's really good. You who saw it all, or saw flashes and fragments, take from us some examples. Try to get yourself together and clean up your act. Find your community. Pick up on some kind of redemption of your own consciousness. Become more mindful of your friends, your own work, your own proper meditation, your own proper art, your own beauty. Go out and make it for your own eternity. Isn't that a great statement to make? And a wonderful reminder that in the midst of busyness, being mindful and conscious makes so much sense. And, the title of this is, do you see? Do you feel? Do you hear? Do you listen? But I really mean, do you really see, feel, hear, or listen? And, using Ginsberg's remarks, I've spent a lot of my life seeing flashes and fragments rather than really seeing it all. And the reminder of getting myself together, as I think might be true of you as well, is really a wonderful remark. You ought to rewatch this to catch the full quote again. But becoming more mindful of ourselves and our behaviors rather than rushing, rather than being online assaulting one person or another in defense of some opinion that we really know nothing about, is so purposeless. Instead, think in terms of what you can do to do your own art, to do your own work, to be mindful of your friends, your proper meditation, your own beauty. That becomes a wonderful way to live. I'm Jeff Altman. I hope you found this helpful. If you're interested in my coaching you, no pressure. Reach out to me through LinkedIn at linkedin.com/IN/The Big Game Hunter. And once we're connected, message that you're interested in coaching. We'll set up time for a free call. Have a great day. Hope you found that helpful.